Welcome to the PrivySeal tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use the ECSA seal to build trust and recognition within the engineering profession.
This video is to explain the value proposition behind the use of the Engineering Council's seal on tender and other key documents to validate and confirm that your employees are in good standing with the Engineering Council. Typically, your employees as registered engineers will be able to go to credential-holders.privyseal.io/log_in. They would confirm that they're not a robot. They would use the credentials that they have previously registered with and log in. Once your employee has logged in to the portal, they'll be able to go through and see their seal as well as their certificate. Remember that this is not the Engineering Council's portal, but rather the Council's service provider, PrivySeal. From this point, you'll be able to, as an engineer, go and either add the seal to the email footer that they're sending out to their clients, or otherwise be able to use the link, the seal itself, to go and add to documentation. The process to add the seal to an email footer is quite straightforward. It may be that your IT department need to provide access to being able to add the signature to the email footer. Otherwise, perhaps it can be done from an automated basis centrally. However, the seal itself is easily accessed, and the value proposition is that the seal goes and confirms each time an email is sent out and each time it's placed on a document that this engineer is in good standing with the Engineering Council. The QR code is used to confirm that this person is currently in good standing. And so whenever this is added to a document, it gives trust and builds confirmation in the registered engineer's skills and professional standing. And that, of course, is really very important from a reputational perspective. So there is definite value in having these seals added to documents. In addition, the date and time stamp at the bottom confirms when the seal was added to the document. And so that is also very useful in confirming and adding trust that as at a particular date and time, the engineer and participant in the project is actually registered. To add the seal to a document, you right-click on it, you copy image, and then you go through to the relevant document. You find the place on the document which needs the signature to be added, and you literally go Control-V. You can then save the document, and the seal will then be embedded along with any other information that you've added to your tender or other reports or professional documentation. And it's as simple as that. The recipient of the document will then be able to scan the seal, QR code, and will be able to go and confirm in real time that the person is properly registered and in good standing. And of course that means that there's recourse, which means that there's less risk. In addition to building trust, that will help in terms of ensuring that the project goes well.
Log into your PrivySeal holders portal to manage your digital credentials. For further support, please contact ECSA on 0861 225 555 or email engineer@ecsa.co.za.